So this is problem number 1 on page 5. And a couple different ways to do this. I am going to start a 2D sketch. I'll put it on this plane, which is the XY plane. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a block of this face right here. So I'll use the rectangle tool. I'll put it onto my origin. I'm going to pull it up and to the right, and this distance is going to be 2. And then I'm going to tab this, and I think this is 1.75 tall. Okay, should be okay. I'm going to finish my sketch, take a little better look at it, and then I'm going to extrude. Now this extrusion is 6 blocks, which means it's 1.5. And I'll say okay. Okay, now I can start carving things out of it. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start a 2D sketch right on this surface. I'll use my rectangle tool here, and then I'll get my dimension going, and this goes, this inner surface here goes up 1, 2, and it goes across 6. So from here to here, that's going to be 0.5. Same thing on the other side, there to here, it's 0.5. And my overall height is also 0.5. Oops. Restart my dimension tool. Now I think I can finish my sketch. I'm going to extrude. I'm going to flip the direction. I'm going to say through all, and I'll say okay. But you know what? I got these dimensions wrong. So I'm going to go up to my menu tree on the left here, and I'm going to open up this sketch, and they should only be 1 block, so they're 0.25. Maybe you were paying attention to that, 0.25. All right, now I can finish my sketch, and it'll fix my problem for me. Next thing I'm going to cut out are these 2 blocks, I guess is the best way to put it. Or I could do this U shape right here. As a matter of fact, why don't I do the U shape? So I'm going to start a sketch right on this surface. That U goes from the top, it goes down 1, 2, 3, and it looks like it goes over 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so my rectangle, I'm going to start right here. I'm going to go down to here. Dimension from here to here. That's 0.25. Same thing over here. 0.25. Okay. Then down 1, 2, 3. So this dimension here should be 0.75. Huh, well, I was just trying something there. I'll put another dimension on here on the other side. Okay. Oh, you know what it is? Uh, yeah, I see what I did. This line right here should be up here. Why did that move? Did that move down? Yeah, it did. Uh, okay. So here's what I'm going to do. If yours did that, okay, I'm going to use one of these constraints and let's see, coincide between that and this. Oh, I know what my trouble is. If I zoom in real close here, this is above this. So I'm going to use this guy. There we go. So hopefully you don't have the same problem. And I'll double click this guy. I'll make that 0.75. Okay. Finish sketch. It's easy to make mistakes and then you can fix them sometimes too. Nice and easy. Extrude all the way through. Cut. All right. Good. Now I got to put in these L shapes right here. So start 2D sketch. Right at this thing. I'm going to have a line. It's going to come straight down here. Click and go out. Then I'll go up and across. I'll hit escape a couple times and I'll dimension. So this dimension here is 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's down 1 inch. And then across this part of it here, whoops, dimension tool is going to be 1, 2, so that is 0.5. And we're going to put another one of these on the other side. I'll use a rectangle this time. Okay. I'm going to get this constraint I'm going to use from right here. Oops. I guess it's not going to work with for me today. All right, so I'll just dimension 1, check mark, and then this guy down here, 0.5. Okay. Finish my sketch. Extrude. Okay, going through, select profiles, this guy and this guy. I'll flip it. I want it to go all the way through, and I'll say OK. And there is part number 1, problem number 1 on page number 5.